नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशधारिणे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा। वेलकम बैक ड्यूटीज। हमने लास्ट टाइम चर्चा किया था ऑन द ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर वर्स विच इज श्रीमद् भागवतम 5.14.20। सो द 20th वर्स के ऊपर हमने ट्रांसलेशन जो था उसके ऊपर हमने डिस्कशन किया था, and this time we'll be covering the purport of the particular verse. So without wasting any time, we'll be covering the purport which is given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So purport goes like this. Here Srila says that material life means being fully absorbed in eating, sleeping, mating, defending. Perfect. If someone wants to define what is known as material life, this one sentence is enough, because we can see that 99% of the people in this material world, except those who are devotees, everyone are directly or indirectly doing only these four activities: on eating, sleeping, mating, defending, and the fifth activity we can say, which is how to make eating, sleeping, mating, defending better. So the fifth activity, which is connected to these four activities only, the so-called human society of current generation is doing right now. So we can say that only 1% ह्यूमन बींग्स आर, मतलब ये चीज़ हो रही थी ना कि अरे ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन एक्सटिंक्ट हो जाए, तो अभी एक्सटिंक्शन के कगार पे ही अगर आप आप प्रचार नहीं करोगे भक्ति का, ये महाप्रभु के मूवमेंट का, शरूपात का मूवमेंट का, इस्कॉन का प्रचार नहीं करोगे, सो द human population, the human society will become extinct one day. So if it is on in your hand ki you can save this human population by by preaching the mission of Krishna consciousness to all over the world, so like this we can save this human population. Yes, because no one is doing, 1% only population is left who are real human beings, or you can say they are transcending the human, animal, everything into the spiritual world. So they are only the real people living, or else everyone are living the animal life, which are no none non different from animals. So yes, here Shripad says in the second sentence that out of this sleep is taken very seriously. Yes, Shripad said, uh, there is one beautiful pastime of Srila Prabhupada where his disciples asked him that which is the most devouring thing out of the four regulative principles. So one disciple said that obviously illicit sex life is the most devouring. It is the most thing which is causing or fall down. So Srila Prabhupada said that oversleeping is the worst thing we can do. It is more dangerous than illicit sex life. So we must understand this, that sleeping is uh, so much dangerous to our life. Oversleeping की बात चल रही है, because sleep is necessary but oversleeping is not necessary for our body, because at that time we are in the mode of तामसिक तमोगुण, मोड ऑफ इग्नोरेंस में होते हैं, कोई भगवान का स्मरण नहीं रहता. सो इस मोमेंट को शिवपाल से आउट ऑफ दिस स्लीप इज टेकन वेरी सीरियसली. while asleep one completely forgets the object of life and what to do. Yes, so कोई महापुरुष हो गए. यस, वी कैन टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ हिज होलीनेस गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामी महाराज. व्हाट डिड ही डू? गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामी महाराज का एक बहुत वीडियो वायरल हुआ है कि ही वॉज डूइंग आरती व्हेन ही वॉज स्लीपिंग, मतलब वो आरती घुमा रहे थे नींद में. सो यस, he's at the stage of pure devotional service, we can say. At the purest of the pure devotees he has become. So that's why he's even engaging, he had even engaged his sleep into the service of Krishna. But we material people, we completely forget the object of life, that to attain Krishna prema. And what to do for attaining Krishna prema? For spiritual realizations, one should try to avoid sleep as much as possible. Yes. First and foremost, I should apply this. Because एक थोड़ा सा नींद आगे पीछे क्यों नहीं हुआ, आई टेक 4 or 5 hours ऑफ नैप. मैं मेरा पर्सनल आपको डाउनग्रेड दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि आई एम सो मच अटैच्ड टू दिस स्लीप. For spiritual realization, one should try to avoid sleep as much as possible. Spiritual realization चाहिए, so one thing is that to avoid sleep as much as possible. The Goswamis of Vrindavan practically did not sleep at all. That is the real level. Shripad said in one lecture that this eating, sleeping, mating, defending should be done at nil. हमको इतना प्रयास करना चाहिए. We should endure much that these four things in our life becomes nil, zero पर लाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए हमको. So but right now we must take it at most necessary things we must take out of these four things. Either and then no, zero कर देना चाहिए हमको. Shilpad said this. So the Goswamis of Vrindavan practically did not sleep at all. Of course, they slept some, for the body requires sleep, but they slept only about 2 hours. And Shilpad is one of the Goswamis also, because he also slept only 2 hours a day. So and written these books and everything, all the books are, and the Bhagavatam he translated in English. So he did, obviously he did all of everything for us, but we are not taking advantage of it. Sharpad, being very emotional in one lecture, he also said that why you don't read books, why you don't read books. Yes, why we don't read books of Shrupad? He has taken so much of his time in translating, in preaching these books. So yes, we must take some time of our lives to read Srila Prabhupada books, to preach about Srila Prabhupada books, because if one doesn't preach, he cannot understand Srila Prabhupada books. So we must preach, as I am right now doing, for the service of Srimad Bhagavatam, for the service of Srila Prabhupada and the service of Sri Radha Giridhari. Everyone must preach Srila Prabhupada's message and Srila Prabhupada books. So yes, and sometimes not even that, they all, मतलब जो पहले के सेंटेंस से कनेक्टेड है, दैट जो कभी कभी 2 घंटे की स्लीप, और समटाइम्स वो भी नहीं, they always engaged in spiritual cultivation. Nidrahar Vihar Kadi Vijatau. Yes, in Shad Goswami Ashtaka, this line is very, very much highlighted, that Nidrahar Vihar Kadi Vijatau. Following the steps of the Goswamis, we should try to reduce sleeping, eating, mating, and defending. For the brahmacharis, this particular thing, mating, should be nil right now. And all the students in Krishna consciousness. And defending, it is done by Krishna. Sleeping, eating, if one takes prasad, it is also controlled. अभी इसको भी control की ज़रूरत है. Yes. And sleeping is the most devouring thing. We must understand this. So yes, that was it for today's lecture. We'll be taking the 21st verse tomorrow. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments, you can put it in the comment section, and I will make sure I will reply it. हरे कृष्णा. श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. श्रीमद् भागवतम महापुराण की जय. सभी भक्तवृंद की जय. हरे कृष्णा.